What's up guys, Shani from SB88 again. Do you need a reversing camera for your van? Well, this is a Vauxhall Vivaro and my customer bought this Pioneer reversing camera kit from Halfords. When you select reverse, it's in neutral at the moment, and that's the screen that you can see when it's on. It's got a front camera, so it's literally showing what it sees at the front. If I pressed a button like that one, it will swap the cameras like that. You see the bus is coming. Wow, sorry about that. Swapping cameras. So when I select reverse though, so this screen could be off, right? And if I select reverse, this is what would happen. It would stick the lines on the screen and then you can see reverse. Now this kit that he bought from Halfords is a Pioneer unit and it's been sold in Halfords. I would not recommend that you buy it because, like you can see, it's not even a full screen mirror, and this kit was more expensive than the Chinese makes. Obviously it's Pioneer, so you'd expect to pay more, but it's unnecessary. Just go for a mirror reversing camera that you see on my website and you should be happy. Alright, please do that. Don't buy this rubbish. Not rubbish, but inferior specification of mirror dashcam.